What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, the channel where we bring you the best in gaming gear, tech upgrades, and everything in between. If you've been hunting for a keyboard that balances performance, style, and versatility, today's spotlight might just be your next dream setup. Because in front of us, we've got the Epomaker RT100 97 keys gasket mechanical gaming keyboard, a powerhouse mechanical keyboard that combines retro aesthetics with modern gaming performance. And trust me, this thing is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with features like hot-swappable sockets, a customizable display screen, gasket-mounted design, and even a massive 5,000 milliamp hours battery to keep you wire-free for days. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if you're into clean performance breakdowns, subscribe for more no BS tech content, and so, let's break it down and see why this keyboard might just be the perfect blend of performance and personality. First things first, design and build quality. The RT100 is a 97-key layout keyboard, which basically means you get almost everything a full-size keyboard offers, including the numpad, but in a much more compact, space-saving footprint. Perfect if you need a balance between productivity and gaming without cluttering your desk. What really catches the eye is the RT100 retro colorway. It's got that classic old-school computer vibe with modern RGB backlighting under the hood. Think of it as a throwback design with next-gen performance. The keys are ergonomic and well-spaced, making it comfortable whether you're gaming for hours or hammering out documents. Now let's talk about what sets this apart, the customizable display screen. This is a unique touch that you don't see on most keyboards. You can set it up to show system stats, custom images, or even little animations to personalize your setup. It's not just functional, it's a conversation starter for anyone who sees your desk. And right next to that, you've got the multifunction knob. Whether you want to control your volume, scroll through brightness settings, or customize it for your workflow, this knob adds a premium touch and makes everyday tasks super convenient. Let's get into the switches and typing experience. This model comes with the Epomaker Flamingo switch, known for its smooth actuation and satisfying feedback. Perfect for gamers who want quick response times, but also a pleasant typing feel. But here's the kicker. The RT100 is hot swappable. That means you can change out switches anytime without soldering. Want something clicky today and linear tomorrow? Just swap them out. This flexibility is huge for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts who love to customize. Plus, the keyboard uses a gasket-mounted structure, which adds extra cushioning between the plate and the case. What does that mean for you? A quieter, more comfortable typing experience with just the right amount of bounce. It's a premium feature you normally see in high-end custom keyboards, and Epomaker brings it here at an affordable price point. Now, let's move into connectivity and battery life. The RT100 supports triple modes of connection. Bluetooth 5 for when you want wireless convenience, 2.4 GHz wireless with the included dongle for ultra-low latency gaming, and of course, USB-C wired mode for when you want no lag whatsoever. This versatility makes it ideal whether you're gaming, programming, or even switching between multiple devices. And powering all this is a massive 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. That's right, no need to constantly plug in. Depending on your RGB usage and connection mode, this can last you days or even weeks on a single charge. It's built for long-haul performance without the constant battery anxiety. Let's talk about RGB and customization. Like any great gaming keyboard, the RT100 comes with full RGB backlighting. You can customize it with different effects, colors, and layouts to match your setup's vibe. Pair the retro design with vibrant lighting, and you've got a keyboard that looks amazing in both daylight and in a dark gaming room. On top of that, it supports macro programming and hotkeys. Whether you want to set up quick commands for games, shortcuts for productivity, or custom workflows for streaming, this board has you covered. Now, let's focus on the real-world benefits. If you're a gamer, you'll love the fast response, hot-swappable switches, and low-latency wireless connection. If you're a programmer or writer, the gasket mount, ergonomic design, and customizable layouts make long sessions way more comfortable. And if you're a tech enthusiast, the customizable display, knob, and retro aesthetic give you that unique edge that makes your setup stand out. It's truly a do-it-all keyboard, and that's rare to find at this price point. To recap the key features: 97 key layout, compact yet fully functional, customizable display screen, personalize with images, stats, or animations, multifunction knob, quick control at your fingertips, Epomaker Flamingo switches, smooth, satisfying, and hot swappable, gasket mounted structure, cushioned, quiet, premium typing experience, Triple mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, USB-C wired, 5,000 milliamp hours battery, long-lasting wireless power, full RGB backlighting, endless customization options, retro design with modern features, a true balance of style and function. So, who is the Epomaker RT100 for? If you want a mechanical keyboard that doesn't just work great, but also looks amazing, this is for you. Whether you're gaming competitively, programming for hours, or just want a retro-styled centerpiece for your desk, the RT100 delivers on all fronts. At the end of the day, the Epomaker RT100 97 keys gasket mechanical gaming keyboard is more than just a tool. It's an upgrade to your entire setup. Alright guys, that's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Epomaker RT100, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite keyboard feature. Is it the hot swap sockets, the customizable display, or that retro design? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.